Most people who use Comet AI think they understand it, but they don't. They switch between chat mode and browser mode without knowing why, and that's exactly why they get confusing or incomplete answers. In this video, I'll clearly show you when chat mode is the right choice, when browser mode works better, and how to use both correctly so Comet AI actually saves you time instead of wasting it. If you're new to Comet AI or even if you're already started using it, this confusion is completely normal. Comet AI gives you two powerful options, chat mode and browser mode. At first glance, they look similar, but in reality, they are designed for very different purposes. So I'll explain both modes in simple language, show real examples, and highlight beginner mistakes, and help you decide which mode you should use for your own work. Comet AI is an AI powered assistant that helps you understand information, create content, and save time. What makes Comet AI special is that it doesn't work in just one way. Instead, it offers two modes. One mode focuses on thinking, writing, and creating, while the other focuses on reading, analyzing, and summarizing real web pages. So understanding this difference is the key to using Comet AI properly. Chat mode is the creative brain of Comet AI. This is where you talk to Comet AI just like you would talk to an assistant. You ask questions, give instructions, and request original content. Chat mode does not automatically read web pages unless you paste the content yourself. Instead, it relies on its general knowledge and your instructions to generate responses. When you use chat mode, it is best at writing scripts, explaining concepts, and generating ideas, rewriting text, and helping with SEO friendly content. So basically, it is designed not to scan the internet for live data. Chat mode works best when you are creating something new. For example, if you want to write a YouTube script or plan a video or generate blog ideas or explain a topic in simple language, chat mode is the real choice. It understands instructions very well and can adapt its tone based on what you ask. This mode is also perfect when you are brainstorming, whether you are planning YouTube shorts or affiliate content or social media captions. It helps you think faster and organize your ideas more clearly. Many of us make the mistake of pasting very long articles into chat mode and expecting perfect answers. This often leads to incomplete results because chat mode is not designed to process massive web page content at once. Another common mistake is expecting chat mode to automatically read a website link. It does not do that. If you want Comet AI to read a web page, you need browser mode. Browser mode is completely different. This mode allows Comet AI to read actual web pages. When you open an article, a Wikipedia page, or any online document, browser mode analyzes the content directly from the page instead of guessing. It works with real data from the web. And this mode is designed for understanding information, not creating it, and it focuses on summarizing, extracting key points, and simplifying long and complex articles. Browser mode is the best choice when you want to summarize long web pages or research information. For example, if you open a Wikipedia page and want a short, clear summary, browser mode does this perfectly. And it's also very useful for students, teachers, and researchers who need quick notes or simplified explanations from online articles. Whenever accuracy matters and the information is already written somewhere online, then browser mode is the smarter option. But it is not meant for creativity. If you try to write scripts, brainstorm ideas, or create engaging YouTube content in this mode, the results may feel robotic or dull. That's because browser mode focuses on reporting information, not on storytelling or content creation. The easiest way to understand the difference is this. Chat mode is for thinking and creating, while browser mode is for reading and understanding. Chat mode helps you build something from scratch, and browser mode helps you understand something that already exists on the internet. Once you understand this simple rule, Comet AI becomes much easier to use. One of the biggest mistakes we make is using the wrong mode for the wrong task. We copy long articles into chat mode instead of using browser mode. Others try to create content inside browser mode and wonder why it feels boring. And the common mistake is giving very vague instructions. Comet AI works best when you clearly explain what you want and why you want it. The most powerful way to use Comet AI is by combining both modes. You can first use browser mode to summarize or understand a web page, then you can take that summary and move to chat mode to turn it into a script or blog post or YouTube video. This workflow saves time and gives much better results. There is no competition between them, both are important and both have their own role. Chat mode is your creative partner, while browser mode is your research assistant. When you use them correctly, Comet AI becomes a powerful tool that can easily fit into your daily work. And if this video helped you understand Comet AI better, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel Toolbloom AI, and let me know in the comments which mode you use the most.